kids! Welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today we're going to turn numbers 6 to 9 into cute and funny characters. Let's grab your paper, pencils, and let's get started. Let's start with number 6. Draw a big number 6. Nice and round. Now, let's make it into a snail. Next is number 7. Draw a simple number 7. Let's turn it into a cute umbrella. Now let's use number 8. Draw a big number 8. One circle on top, one below. Now let's turn it into a caterpillar. Draw a nice big 9. Now watch this. We're turning it into a balloon. Color time. You can use any color like brown, green, or red. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos every week.